Kisha uniongeze ulivyofunzwa unyandoni. Oh baby, asana siri kuone uomba mijo ululu femi. Oh baby, baby, asa chezani kuone so about mijo. If you believe tonight we're gonna have a good night, let me say yeah, yeah. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Seven, what you got? Drop it tonight.
Come me boy, they call me burn, black nights. You give me.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I swear to God, like tonight's gonna be so inspirational night because this is my first time in Embu. You guys been showing me love. You guys made me to come here. You know, like one beautiful thing is this: before I decide myself I want to go somewhere to perform, I have to really know the place that I'm going to perform. The true people will love me. It's like, I love it too, bro. It's like, for me, it's not about money, you feel me? Like, I came from ghetto, I'm just hustler, but I love people more than money, you feel me? So it's like, I wanna go to the place that people love me, spiritually love more than money. Money's gonna be extra thing, you feel me? So it's like, before I confirm it I'm gonna come to Embu, I wanted to be sure, is it people will love me? And that's why the reason I'm here. Shout out to javablue. Shout out to everybody who made this happen. You guys, tonight I promise myself, I'm gonna do 5th song non-stop. 5th song. When I say 5th, I mean 50. 50. I'm gonna take you where I started from Ayola, Bado, happy birthday to the fucking end of where I am now. So you guys gonna have a good time tonight. I'm so excited to see you guys tonight. Okay, everybody, can you clap? Oh, I wanna get, what song do you want me to perform? Mention your song. Ameloa, Toto Ameloa, Ameloa. Tonight I'm here for you. Thank you so much. I'm done with my sound check.